How to disconnect Instagram account from Facebook. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Facebook application on your device and make sure you are signed in. Now, tap on the menu option on the bottom right of your screen and then tap on the settings option on the top right of your screen. Here you will see the option for See More in Accounts Center. Tap on that and in the interface that you will be led to, scroll down and you will see the Accounts option. Tap on that and now in the interface that you will be led to, you will be able to see all the accounts that you have connected to your Facebook account. So navigate to the Instagram account that you want to delete or disconnect and then tap on the remove option you see there. And when prompted, tap on remove account option. Further, you will be able to see all the access that you will lose after disconnecting your accounts. So go through the guideline and tap on the continue button. Finally, tap on the yes finish removing option you see there, and with this, your Instagram account will be disconnected from your Facebook. So this is how you can disconnect Instagram account from Facebook. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.